Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about the requirement of intermediate representation.
Hi everyone, and the next part is the why intermediate code is required. So one thing I already told you that why exactly it is required, but here I'll talk about this theoretical background that so one was that to machine representable format. Apart from that, the main reason it is that retargeting is facilitated. Okay, so it facilitate retargeting. A compiler for a different machine can be created by attaching a backend to the new machine to the existing front end. Now here we have an analysis as we this course was started. That time there are two there was an analysis part as I told you. There is an analysis part and there is a synthesis part. Okay, so now for any reason this analysis part will remain same. This part will remain same regardless of the machine. The synthesis part where the code will be generated, code generation, okay, and your optimization, code optimization involved, and that is also machine dependent. Okay, code optimization is involved. That may change. So now we have a Java, we have done the synthesis analysis part, so that IR can be directly translated into, let's say, Spark, MIPS, Pentium and Itanium architecture. Similarly, if there is a C language, it represented in intermediate form, it can be for a Spark machine, MIPS, Pentium and Itanium. Okay, so for this this we can directly converting by attaching a backend. You don't need to construct the complete compiler. Okay, complete compiler building process is not required. Okay, so we are done with few phases. So it's a block structured, and we can attach a few more blocks and it will work good for Spark, MIPS and other architecture. Second interesting point here in this case is a machine independent code optimization can be applied to the intermediate representation. So some sort of optimization, okay, of some sort of optimization is also performed in IR, that intermediate representation, and that optimization is machine independent. That machine independent optimization. Machine independent optimization as can be applied. So there are two reasons why we need IR, that we can completely get a new compiler for the different machine by attaching a backend and machine independent optimization. So that's all for this session. Thank you.